Tighten it up. What are you waiting for? What are you trying to tighten the damn thing up? There.
That's tight.
Tight for what?
Won't move over here either. Okay, so now.
I bet you if I move it, it moves down another half a turn.
Yeah, I'm not.
You didn't put the hurt to it.
Yeah.
I'll tighten the thing up.
See what that nut can handle.
That's how you do it.
So we got to take it back apart and put the other bolts in it, or no?
You know what? I have never bent an axle on my bike, but I have broken a frame.
We have broke a frame.
Yep.
From what were you tightening on the frame?
I never bent an axle. I never bent a wheel, but I broke a frame. That's how I tight and make
Yeah,
stuff.
you can't put this in without
You make
taking
stuff
it off,
tight
though.
under tension, it don't
That's what I
bend.
thought.
Yeah. So you'll have to take it off.
So we're gonna take it back apart, Ken?
What?
Well, unless you can get it from down here. Actually, let me.
You tell me I didn't do my job?
No, you can't.
What do you mean I can't?
Put it in there.
I just get a big. I'll get a big saw and cut the damn thing out of there.
Oh, I was
don't
gonna
care.
say, yeah. If you shorten a 1/4 inch off of that, you'll fit it.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm not trying to scratch that aluminum.
I don't care about that stupid one though.
I do. Looks nice.
Won't go on the top either?
Yeah, the top or the.
No,
Actually, will it go through? No, you won't. You
Nope.
might have more room right here.
no, stick that.
Push the washer up to the front.
Take it out. I'm gonna try from this back.
I'm trying to get it out. It won't come out.
Let's see.
Where it was? You ain't gonna go through there.
Yeah, we got to take it off.
Who was in charge of that department anyway?
It came out fine, but somebody put the axle in there is the problem.
Well, so if we loosen the axle, you think it will?
So I was mocking it up. You were trying to make it a finished job now. Okay, we know the axle works now. You gonna say you have to beat the axle in so hard this time?
Well, you have your adjustment now.
We can get her out of there.
Oh, look at the torque on that. That must be at least 10 foot-pounds.
Mine's loose.
I mean, I think we'll just take it off.
Yeah, take it all the way off. I'm gonna take this caliper back. So
Nope, just you don't
you
figure
sure?
it out.
Are
Yeah,
you sure?
just beat the axle out.
Okay, hit the axle. Ken.
Use the red side
Jeremy.
or the use the red side.
Okay, I'll just. I think I decided that this will be the red side.
It's tight.
You're binding on
there you
the
go.
pivot when you come out. That's it. That's all
Parts
you
are
need.
gonna drop.
It'll actually.
That's all you
Good
need.
now.
You gonna put some Loctite in these bolts, or are you just gonna leave them the way they are?
Oh, he wants it tight. He wants it tight.
Is this permanent? You gonna put a chrome cover on this later.
Probably later, but I don't have one right now, so.
So later being another 5 years, or later next month.
So put some blue Loctite on it.
Do we Loctite them or not? That's what I want to know.
No, just tighten down good
No?
with the wrench.
Yeah, tighten them in.
Can you get it started? It's a big question.
Oh, he broke my
No, you
ratchet.
can't.
Can't?
Yeah, because the hex is just hitting the thing. I'm not gonna scratch it.
No, not on the top either.
Actually, maybe.
It goes on the bottom. I pulled them out on the bottom.
Nope. Yep. You're good.
You got it started?
Yeah.
Yeah, it
Going
works.
straight?
Yeah.
How many you gotta put in? 2?
Just 2, because for some reason
Got a ratchet behind you.
this guy mocked it up. I don't know. Will a ratchet even fit?
He was using an air gun.
Oh yeah.
I won't be able to get a socket on it though, huh?
No, you get that one back.
Just like that. Just wait for the next one?
Keep going.
Forward more. And then
Stop, go back a little bit.
rotate. Right there. Let me get it started. Whoa. It's not really. It's kind of catching. There we go. Should be good.
Too close.
It's got. Yeah. Let me screw it in to get it fast.
What size are those nuts anyway, Ken?
5/8.
5/8 socket.
We were debating that earlier.
7/16 bolt. Go down again.
One more.
Keep going. Whoop. Okay, they're tight.
All of them?
Yep, hot torque. What's the torque on this?
Tight.
Yeah, they're tight.
Okay, now you put your spacer in so you can get the nut on.
What do you mean spacer? The
Spacer
spacer's
in
still
this one?
hanging. Yeah.
Okay.
Should be able to go.
Beat it in with a big ass hammer.
No.
Oh, it'll
Beat the tar out of it.
Hold on, we got.
You need a 5/8 combo.
With the hammer.
That looks like a 5/8 combo wrench right up there, double box. That'd be a torque wrench this week. I'm thinking this one right here is what I want.
It's gotta go like this way.
There we go. Yeah, I think that's 5/8. Look at that. I don't think you can torque that very much with that.
Some more, lift up on the wheel a little bit or what?
Yeah, I don't know. Like it's almost like
Starting to go.
Good.
yeah. Nah, hold on a second. It's just hitting up on this.
On what?
Like it's too far this way.
Let me go like that.
Joe,
Yeah.
spin the wheel. Push it through.
Push it through. Oh wow, it's hitting the thread. See how when this is getting pushed out when he's pushing in?
Where's your hammer?
Stuck on that washer or what?
Where's your
Yeah,
hammer?
on the washer. Does that
So
washer
the
come
step-
out or
Where's your hammer at?
on that side?
Step in the
My hammer.
step in the axle needs to go.
Okay,
There you go.
Push
Push it through.
Push it through. Keep going.
There goes the washer.
Okay.
Turn down.
Which way does this go?
It's a bad design.
That way.
It wants to break
Goes
easily.
in that groove.
It's a Canadian design.
Yeah, whatever. It
Go
binds
up
up.
on the jack again.
Good luck on doing that higher. Good luck on doing that on the side of the road
It's off.
easily.
It's in the air. Is it? Yeah. Okay. Put the washer back on. Tighten it.
Yeah, then drop it back down so you can torque it.
You want me to lower it?
Yeah.
Joe?
We gotta tighten the axle first, though. Yeah, go ahead.
That's why you gotta lower it down so you can tighten it down.
I got my 2 threads.
You're on.
That's 2.
How much torque was that?
That was a shoulder click on my side.
Yeah. Same.
How much was that?
About a shoulder click.
A shoulder click. How much is a shoulder click from you guys?
You put your weight on top of that. I wasn't going to do that.
Well, I'm just using my hand. I used one hand, all I was doing.
And your whole body weight.
Yeah.
I used my shoulder weight.
He knows how to do that.
It's tight. I went a quarter of a turn more almost.
Dirty inside. I'm going to polish that axle part.
Polish
It's been
it?
closed.
Oh, that's way too much work.
Is that a clean rack?
Yeah.
Where's my wrench? Where's my torque wrench?
I don't have them. Oh, that torque wrench?
Is that tight?
Yeah, it's
Is the wrench bending? How much is the wrench bending? Flex wrench.
Oh, what is that?
Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure those are tight. Okay, those are torqued. This is my wrench. This is not Pittsburgh, it's American made.
I know.
This is
they're all
Blue Point. This is Blue Point. Quality.
So what? Is this 9/16?
There you go. Quality tools.
I need Allen wrench to hold it still.
Do you?
No, just tighten it.
No, it won't turn.
Doesn't matter.
Is that good enough? Is that good and tight?
That's good enough on that. Gonna jack up a little bit.
Tight.
Gotta make sure it turns.
Okay, jack up a little bit.
Give it a couple pumps there.
How's it?
Turns, it doesn't feel sloppy, loose or nothing. Success.
Took more off of some part of this tire than the other side, right?
Only on that side.
No, I know, but like, it's not like it's like you.
If you had a
perfectly
body,
machine that.
if you had a body grinder going on there, it would spin equally around as you're grinding it.
I was using the
Start the bike and just let it
I was
run
using
and
No.
take a little
If
flap
you just
wheel.
put the body grinder on that thing, it would spin.
Oh, and let it, yeah.
If you didn't have the belt on there in the way,
Yeah.
it would free spin. You
I
know,
was
you
using-
hit,
I
you hit the
was
disc sander
I
on
was
it.
using a file.
What
You-
size is this tire?
You do a 6-inch.
150.
You do a 6-inch disc sander on here with a 36 grit on it,
Yeah.
and you hit it right on the edge of the disc where it only come out about this far and stick on this far. The
Most
rotation
have
of it
on
would
there,
spin the tire
140.
around and cut it evenly all the way around.
What was that?
Yours a 140?
I think so.
See right up in
Why
here.
you usually put on these things.
Yeah.
You can even use one of these little crapped little 4.5 inchers here like this too.
With
the
a
same
stock
thing.
swing arm.
You can do one of
Yeah,
these.
that's what I figured.
I could use one of those to do my seat foam too.
But yeah, the wheel would rotate and it would cut evenly all the way around because it'd be spinning. But it's got to be a coarse ass disc because tires don't cut off very easily.
Yeah.
Where's that blue rag go? You done it?
It's almost like they're made to wear for a long
He
time.
put his
I
dirty fingers
didn't-
all over it.
Who would
Now
do
I gotta
that?
Wipe it down again.
Finger screwed it.
I didn't clean the thing up before I brought it over there.
Look at that big black mark on that pulley. What's that all about?
What?
That line?
Yeah, what's that all
Nice
about?
line on there?
Who put
That's-
that on there? He
We'll
left
get
it on
that or
there.
something later.
He left it on there too. Look at that.
Indelible. When you do indelible, you know what that means? That means it don't come off.
Well, I just got it off.
Some gasoline, maybe. Oh yeah.
Yeah, a little spit, you know.
Your spit did it?
That's that permanent marker.
It's real,
They're not as good as they used to be.
real fucking permanent.
Permanent marker.
Okay, where are we at next, Mr. Keenan?
All right, you ready?
Why is it hitting the thing all of a sudden now?
Because you're going backwards.
So when
Forward.
you go forward, it doesn't?
It
Yeah.
tracks inward when you go backwards. That's why you don't
Well,
ride
look at it now,
backwards.
right now.
All right,
It's
it'll
off
work.
now.
Yeah, what's wrong?
It tracks the other
Oh,
way.
because why that front pulley is always wider than the
Yeah.
real.
And when you turn things this way, they always go towards the outside.
Yeah,
and
but
when
the
you turn
belt
this
is
way,
made
they
to
go
track
the-
toward the shoulder of the pulley.
Yeah, it makes sense.
If it tracks inward, it's gonna. This little thing here is just dimpled, is lightly riveted, is pinned in, so that
So-
pops off pretty easy. So if it's made wrong, it'll pop that thing off real quickly. This is cast, so it's not gonna move.
Is this belt on backwards?
I don't know. It's got a Harley logo on it.
But the Harley logo's facing that way.
Not if you're looking at from the other side of the bike. It's not.
Is there a forward and backwards on?
No, I mean, obviously, I don't think they're just the logo.
As long as you do it the same way every time, it doesn't matter.
Well, maybe they should have just put the logo this way, facing back.
Well, maybe Harley should make a logo that looks like Universal. It's not
Why
about
doesn't it
that.
have the teeth on there? It has a logo. It should say the amount of teeth.
Yeah, why'd they?
Should have a big arrow on it saying "Dumbass, go that way."
Why did Harley
Probably
copy
not
Gary
counting.
Bang's logo?
That's right.
Harley copied Gary Bang's logo.
Damn right they did.
Yeah.
Or was it vice versa?
No, banger.
You're right.
Of course, Barry and Bang has a Harley in the shop now. So.
I think the bar and shield's better.
All right. Are you happy with your new gear ratio over there?
Copyright.
So what is this going to change?
Are you happy, Joe, with your new gear
No
ratio?
more freeway, less RPM at 80 miles an hour.
You think it will drop a lot? How many teeth?
That'll be about a 15-mile-an-hour change.
3,
Oh, that's fucking awesome because then you can drop it to
90 almost at 80 at
at
4,000.
4,000 RPM.
You know, instead of 80.
Probably be more than that.
95.
Yeah,
So at 95, you think he'll be at 4,000. So at 80 miles per hour,
probably close.
he'll be under 3,000.
Yeah, it should be close.
Right.
That would be
Divided by
fucking
3.
a dream.
That'd be nice.
You keep up with
Yeah.
traffic now.
Huh?
Keep up with traffic now.
Keep up with traffic. Well, that's
See, the
true.
problem's not the older bikes. It's not the problem with the bike. The problem with the gearing. All you do is gear it.
Yeah.
Go faster.
These things were made to run high RPM, I think, though.
They were made to run 55 miles an hour is what they were made to do.
Oh.
And now you're trying to do 90. So
We always did 80 on ours, right?
so now you just have to change the gearing so gears up
Yeah,
to that
this is an
speed.
88.
Yeah.
In 88, everyone was going 80.
No,
But the speed limit is 55.
it was
Oh, the
55.
speed limit was 55?
It was 55. And if you drove over 70, they would get you tickets pretty good.
I wasn't born yet.
At 65, you can get away with it.
Weren't even born yet.
At 65, you can kind of get away with it, but you drove at 80, you got tickets, big time. And if you drove at 70, they'd get you
And
a
now you
ticket.
get honked at if you're going 80.
You know, people come by and I'm doing 85, they blow by me like I'm sitting still.
I don't know why you drive so slow.
You clean. You wipe this.
Oh, you destroyed the paint job on that. Yeah, make sure you use that dirty towel to clean the paint
No, I
with.
found the cleanest part of this towel.
That's right. I hope so. So you got any air in this tire, or is it dull, flat?
I think it's got air in it.
When the last time you rode it?
3 weeks ago.
Oh, it should have air in it still.
I gotta get this tube put on here and
All right, we're getting ready to do some more work. We'll be back.
overflow tube from the